Ramban in Jammu and Kashmir came alive with colors, music, and cultural spirit as artists from across India gathered for the Sanskritik Yatra Sindhu Darshan Festival. Showcasing folk traditions from several states, the festival celebrated India's rich diversity while promoting communal harmony, cultural exchange, brotherhood, and natural unity, reflecting the enduring spirit of Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat.
In the picturesque town of Ramban, a unique cultural gathering recently showcased how art and tradition can bring people together beyond regional, linguistic, and social differences. The Sanskritik Yatra Sindhu Darshan Festival became a vibrant celebration of India's diversity, with artists from different states sharing a common stage.
पूरा भारत एक ही है, हम ये brothers and sisters और that's why we are coming here. ये हमारा कल्चर भी प्रमोट करने के लिए आया हूँ और दूसरा स्टेट के कल्चर भी हम ये देखने का मौका मिला. ये बहुत अच्छा है, एक कल्चरल एक्सचेंज का एक जगह बना रहा हूँ यहाँ.
As folk dances, music and traditional performances unfolded, the event reflected a spirit of togetherness that transcended geographical boundaries. From the rhythmic energy of Bhangra and Dandiya Ras to the grace of Gotipua and Kalbelia, every performance highlighted the richness of India's heritage while reinforcing a sense of shared belonging.
इससे लोगों में ये जज्बा पैदा होता है कि हम एक हैं, चाहे हम मुल्क के किसी भी हिस्से से हैं, हम एक हैं. बेशक हमारे कल्चर अलग अलग हैं, लेकिन हमारा जज्बा जो है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं और एक हैं.
Through music, dance and shared experiences, the event celebrated the values of harmony, mutual respect and the enduring bond that connects people across the country.